Imagine this, every year over 27 million vehicles get recalled in the US alone, yet most owners never hear a peep. Your steering could snap, brakes could fail, or an airbag could turn deadly, all while manufacturers stay quiet and dealers profit. Today I'm exposing the 15 darkest secrets they don't want you knowing. The final one will make you question every repair bill you've ever paid. Let's dive in. Secret number 15, hidden safety recalls dealers don't announce. Last year alone, more than 27 million vehicles were recalled. That's over 10% of cars on the road. Ford, Honda, and Stellantis led with millions affected by faulty airbags, brakes, and engines. Many recalls stay quiet, labeled non-critical. Dealers often fix them silently without notifying owners. Remember Ford's 2022 021 Super Duty trucks? A steering shaft defect could detach the wheel. Over 115,000 trucks recalled, some after months of delay. Always check your VIN on the NHTSA website before buying or servicing. Don't assume a clean used car is safe. Dealers won't always volunteer open recalls. While you're there, dig deeper into what's hiding inside your dash. Secret number 14, the hidden dealer menus inside your car. Your car has secret service menus dealers don't advertise. BMW, Toyota, Ford, Mercedes, Tesla, they all have them. These let techs run advanced tests, check sensors, and read codes your normal scanner misses. They exist to protect dealer profits. BMW's menu tests ABS and injectors. Toyota's reveals misfires early. Ford cycles solenoids and does key relearns. Search hidden service menu plus your model year. Use caution, some reset critical modules. Never touch safety systems. This knowledge alone can save you hundreds. Secret number 13, $50 tools that replace dealer scanners. You don't need a $5,000 dealer tool. VCDS for VW/Audi, Good Auto scanners, or Torque Pro with an OBD2 adapter can read advanced codes, live data, and reset modules for under $50 $150. Dealers hate this because they charge big for the same checks. I've caught misfires in minutes that dealers wanted $400 to diagnose. These tools read what your car already shares legally. Get a quality one, learn it, and verify issues before paying for expensive shop diagnostics. Secret number 12, the Volkswagen Dieselgate cheat. VW installed defeat software in millions of clean diesel TDIs. It detected lab tests and ran full emissions controls, then shut them off on real roads, pumping up to 40 times the legal NOx limit. This cost VW billions in fines and buybacks. If you have a 2009-2016 TDI, check your VIN for recalls immediately and keep every service record. This scandal shows how far some will go to cut corners. Secret number 11, the Takata airbag cover-up. Over 67 million vehicles across 34 brands had deadly Takata airbags. The propellant degraded in heat and humidity, exploding and shooting metal shrapnel. At least 27 deaths and hundreds of injuries resulted. Automakers delayed recalls and downplayed risks. Models like 2005 Honda Civics and 2003 Toyota Corollas were affected for years. Run your VIN on NHTSA right now. Replace any affected airbag immediately, don't wait for a letter. Secret number 10, the lifetime fluid lie. Lifetime fluid is one of the biggest marketing myths in the car industry. Transmission fluid, coolant, differential oil, manufacturers love claiming these never need changing. In reality, they degrade, lose their protective qualities, pick up contaminants, and eventually destroy expensive components. I've seen a 2016 GM SUV with lifetime transmission fluid that looked like coffee with metal shavings when the pan came off. The resulting transmission failure cost the owner $3,500. A proper fluid and filter service every 50,000 miles, around $120 $150. The math is obvious. Ignore the hype, follow realistic service intervals using quality fluids. Your transmission, engine, and wallet will thank you. If this kind of straight talk is helping you, smash that like button, share it with a friend who drives, and subscribe. We're just getting started. Secret number 9, the $20 additive that cleans $2,000 problems. A quality fuel system cleaner can be one of the cheapest and most effective maintenance items you buy. Over time, injectors clog, intake valves carbon up, and combustion chambers get gummed with deposits. A strong cleaner like Chevron Techron can dissolve that buildup and restore lost power, smoother idle, and better fuel economy. Mechanics often use these additives in the shop but still quote you for expensive injector replacements or carbon cleaning services. I've used it preventatively on everything from high-mileage V6s to heavy-duty diesels. One bottle every few thousand miles keeps things clean without any downside when used as directed. It's not a miracle cure for mechanical failure, but it routinely prevents small issues from snowballing into four-figure repairs. Secret number 8, the repair manuals they sue to hide. Car manufacturers have fought hard to keep detailed service manuals out of your hands. They hide them behind paywalls, copyright claims, and even lawsuits against independent publishers. Why? Because if you or your local indie shop had full access to wiring diagrams, module programming procedures, and exact repair steps, you wouldn't need the dealer for everything. The right to repair movement has made progress, but many brands still make it difficult. Manuals from GM, Hyundai, Kia, Subaru, and others contain the exact information needed to save hundreds or thousands on diagnostics and labor. Search for legitimate sources for your specific model. Knowledge truly is power, and it's knowledge they'd rather you paid them for instead. Secret number 7, the software locks on your car. Many modern vehicles, from certain John Deere tractors to Tesla models and new trucks, use software locks that prevent independent repairs. Replace a throttle body, key fob, or even update certain modules and the car may refuse to work until a dealer performs a proprietary reflash. They call it safety. The result is total control over who can service the vehicle and how much it costs. Independent shops get locked out and owners get steered back to the dealer. Keep excellent service records and ask questions before any major work. The right to repair battle is ongoing, but awareness is your best defense right now. Secret number 6, the warranty void scam. Dealers love threatening that any aftermarket part or modification will void your warranty. In most cases, it's pure intimidation. The Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act protects you. Manufacturers can't deny a claim simply because you used non-OEM parts unless they can prove that exact part caused the failure. Document everything: receipts, photos, maintenance logs. If a claim gets denied unfairly, push back with the law on your side. Independent shops can often perform work safely without voiding coverage when proper records exist. Secret number 5, GM's OnStar and data harvesting. Your car is constantly collecting data: location, speed, driving style, braking habits, even crash information. GM's OnStar system and similar setups in other brands shares portions of that data with insurers, marketers, and third parties. It's all buried in the fine print most people never read. Review your privacy settings, understand what's being tracked, and decide what trade-offs you're comfortable with. In an era where data is currency, staying informed is essential. Secret number 4, planned obsolescence in car parts. Many components are engineered with a predictable failure window, often right after the factory warranty expires. Timing chains, turbos, water pumps, CVTs, and electronic modules frequently fail in well-documented patterns. Proactive maintenance, timely fluid changes, belt inspections, and sensor monitoring can help you catch issues early and avoid the most expensive surprises. Secret number 3, the hidden performance modes. Some vehicles ship with hidden software features that unlock sharper throttle response, extra power modes, or special calibrations. Manufacturers keep them quiet for liability and regulatory reasons. On certain BMWs, Fords, and Teslas, the right sequence or dealer tool can activate these. Always research your exact model thoroughly, document changes, and understand the risks to safety systems and warranty before experimenting. Secret number 2, extended warranty exposed. Extended warranties are often expensive insurance policies that exclude the very failures you're most likely to face. Wear and tear items, electronics gray areas, and strict fine print mean many claims get denied. Read every page, get a clear written list of covered components, and only buy one if you plan to keep the car long-term and fully understand the terms. Secret number 1, how mechanics get paid to do nothing. Flat-rate pay systems mean mechanics are paid according to book time for jobs, not actual time spent. A brake job listed at 2 hours might take a skilled tech 45 minutes, yet you still get billed for the full book time. It's legal and common at both dealers and independent shops. Always ask for a detailed estimate, question inflated labor times, and get multiple opinions when something feels off. Knowledge of how the system works is your best protection. That's what I can safely share on camera. Stay sharp out there, always check your VIN for recalls, keep detailed records, ask hard questions, and never be afraid to verify what you're being told. If you want to know the worst dealer tricks that quietly empty your wallet, check out the video I linked below. Drop a comment with the most shocking repair bill you've ever seen, smash like if this opened your eyes, share it with someone who needs it, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.